I'm here with my longtime friend Brad, and we're moving an outhouse.
It's the most local thing I've ever done.
Tailgate down, tires in the dirt, got a cooler full of cold and a radio that works. Ain't no bar, but we got the groove. Bed of my truck's got room to move. It's a pickup truck party, rev it loud, dancing in boots with the stars looking down. Back row beats and a moonlit sway. We don't need walls when the sky's this way. Crank that down, let the speakers blow. We're shaking this tailgate nice and slow.
All right, good morning. It's about 6:08. About to leave to head up to my mom's first, and then Kahikinui. Matilda's sending us off. Let's go. Okay, back at my mom's house. We got our outhouse in the truck back here. You can see it. We're about to, Mom's gonna give us some food real quick, and then I'm gonna head up to my dad's. This is a very interesting load. The weight is kind of pushing off past the back wheel. That's not how you're supposed to do it, but I didn't have the strength to push it in anymore. The hinges were blocking it with the wheel well. So we're gonna have to just go like this. This is probably the most problematic load I've had, since I've gone up to Kahikinui. So we'll update you along the way. Hopefully my suspension doesn't give out. Shoots. Alright, so we're here in Kahikinui at the entrance. Once we get up into the off-road section to my dad's house, that's where things can really go bad. The outhouse goes so far back that if on a steep hill, it'll probably hit the ground. And I mean, that's gonna happen. It's okay, it's an old outhouse, so it doesn't have to be pristine, but there's a lot of things that can go wrong right now, so maybe I'll film a little bit on the way up, we'll see. Okay, so the weather is very quickly getting wet, and we're getting onto a part where it's going to be really difficult to navigate, if the terrain's too wet. So it's almost like we're racing the weather to get up to the homestead. If it's wet and I didn't have a big load, like a giant outhouse on my truck, I think it'd be fine. But having this outhouse and the way it unevenly distributes weight on the tires is a bit problematic. So a lot could go wrong right now. Hopefully it goes okay. Okay, we made it to the gate. So this is interesting now that we're up here. It was about here before, and now it's all the way over here. So it slid back like an entire foot in transit, mostly just in the last couple bits of hard road. But we're here, so everything's good. find a wife, make sure you find someone like this. She's saying she knows how to dig a hole in case I cheat on her. So she knows I'll get buried. Okay. So stop sending me those DMs, babes. Looks like we got some rain. Trying to finish up here. You can see it's pretty deep in there now. I think we're just gonna call it a day at like 3.5 feet. We're going for 4, but I don't want to. I just rather be done now and have that thing on there. So we'll just go put it on now, I think. Okay, so successful day. Got our outhouse up. I've christened it with some poo and it works great. Loving it. Thank you for those paella hippies or haiku hippies. We got a water tank now. My dad said he found this down the road, so I'm assuming nobody needed it. We got some fence wire here and here, some barbed wire down there. Got some posts. We're gonna need about 15 more posts and about 200 more feet of wire and a gate. And we're pretty much good on materials for the fence build. Fence has been dragging on way too long, but we'll get it done soon. But yeah, thanks for checking out the channel. Appreciate your viewership. Things are happening up here, so it's very exciting. Now that I got my partner in crime, everything seems to be moving a lot faster. All right, see you guys next time. Don't forget to sub or whatever. So this is like the foggiest I've ever seen it up here. We're going about 1/4 our normal speed. Like right now I can't even see the road. There it is. So you just slow down. And yeah, I thought the video was over, but this is pretty interesting. It's not normally like this. My dad says it always rains when I come around, which is good because we need the water because we're catchment, but it's also the weather is challenging up here. So anyway, just wanted to share that. Aloha.